In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track website traffic and see who visited your website using HubSpot. Tracking your website's performance is crucial in understanding how your audience interacts with your content and how you can improve their experience. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to go to the HubSpot website. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and typing in the URL for HubSpot, or simply searching for HubSpot in your favorite search engine. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see the login button. Give it a click. Next, you'll have a selection of login options. Here, we'll use the Sign In with Google feature because it's quick and convenient. When you choose this option, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use to access HubSpot. Make sure to select the account associated with your HubSpot setup. Once you're logged in, you're going to head over to the Reports section. This part is where you can see various insights about your website. There's a link that will take you directly to the reports page, so find that link in your dashboard and click on it. Now, within the reports interface, you want to look for the option that says Create Report. This is where the magic happens. By creating a report, you can tailor it to show you exactly what metrics and data you're interested in about your website traffic. After clicking on Create Report, you'll notice a search bar on the left side of the screen. Here, type in Website to filter through the available templates and tools. This will help you easily find the report template you need. Once you've done that, look for the template titled Website Visitor Engagement Rates. This specific report template is designed to showcase interactions that visitors have on your website, such as pages they visit and time spent on your site. Go ahead and select that template by clicking on it. With the report template open, you're almost there. What you need to do next is save the report. There's a Save Report option. You'll want to click on that. Once saved, take a moment to view the report you've just created. It's here you can start to analyze the data and glean valuable insights about your website visitors. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you've set up a valuable tool in HubSpot that allows you to track website traffic and get a better understanding of who is visiting your website. This is an excellent foundation for enhancing your online strategies and driving more meaningful engagement with your audience. Thanks for tuning in and happy analyzing.